In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save hours with the Figma to Webflow plugin. Whether you're a designer looking to streamline your workflow or just getting started with these tools, this plugin is a game changer. First, we begin with launching Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. If you're unfamiliar with Figma, it's an excellent platform that allows designers to work together in real time, bringing ideas to life with ease. Once you're on Figma's homepage, you'll want to click on Get Started for free. This will allow you to create an account or sign in, giving you access to all the wonderful design features that Figma offers. Next, click on the project you are currently working on. You should be familiar with your project dashboard as it offers a comprehensive view of all your ongoing work. Navigating your dashboard ensures that you can efficiently manage your files and access the tools you need without any hiccups. Now, moving forward in your project, you'll want to highlight the specific elements you'd like to work with. Highlighting makes it easier for the plugin to identify which parts of your design need to be considered during the transition to Webflow. Then click on Plugins in the top menu. Here you'll find a variety of tools that you can integrate into your workflow to enhance productivity. To manage your plugins, click on Manage Plugins. This section allows you to search for and install plugins that can transform how you interact with Figma. In the search bar, type in Figma and Webflow. This should bring up the specific plugin we're interested in today, the Figma to Webflow plugin. Select Figma to Webflow, HTML, CSS and website from the results. With the plugin ready, click on Run. This action will initiate the Figma to Webflow plugin, setting the stage for the transition. It's almost like starting a sequence that prepares your design to transform into web-ready formats. Next, navigate to the settings within the plugin where you'll find the option to export to Webflow. Make sure you review these settings carefully, checking any customization or specific export preferences that suit your project needs. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, move over to Webflow. If you're new, Webflow is a powerful design tool that enables you to create performant, responsive websites visually. Once on Webflow, if you have the capability, click on Export Code. This allows you to export the prepared code from Figma to Webflow, making your designs come to life as fully functional web pages. By following these steps, you'll efficiently transform your Figma designs into a Webflow project, saving hours compared to traditional coding or design methods. Integrating tools like the Figma to Webflow plugin into your workflow not only accelerates your process, but also opens up new possibilities for creativity and design efficiency. We hope this tutorial was helpful and you'll find this plugin as invaluable to your design process as many others do. Thank you for joining and happy designing.